Introduction to building materials. A carpenter works with various materials to construct, install, and maintain building and other objects like cabinets or furniture. Although the trade has evolved over the year to include new techniques and materials, the basic remain the same. Carpenter measure, mark, and arrange materials inside and outside a structure. Carpenters mold wood or other material into a specific shape by using hand or power tools. Introduction. An age-old and highly skilled trade, carpentry has evolved to incorporate and improving building material and to construct methods. Modern-day carpenters find themselves working on a variety of projects. An understanding of the factors affecting material selection for different building functions, the means used to determine building material durability, and the maintenance requirement of building material is also required. Building material is any material which is used for construction purposes. Many naturally occurring substances such as clay, rock, sand, and wood have been used to construct buildings. Let us study what are the building materials used in carpentry. First, timber. Timber is another name of wood, whether still standing in the form of trees or felled and turned into boards for construction. Some people may also refer to it as a lumber or differentiate between unprocessed wood and lumber as cut wood package and commercial sale. Timber, on the other hand, can be used to refer to any stage of the wood after the tree has been cut down. This may include the felled tree, the wood processed for construction, wood pulp for paper production, etc. The aim of environmentally sustainable and responsible building is to consume less resources, particularly less energy, and to minimize adverse environmental impacts. What are the benefits of using timber? Timber can be either rough or finished. The rough timber is the raw material which can be processed and then used for a variety of functions. It will usually require additional cutting and shaping before it can be used, whereas finished timber is the wood that has already been processed and usually cut into various sizes. Renewable. Timber is continuously being grown in our forests and plantations. As long as new trees are planted to replace those harvested, timber will continue to be available. Low in production energy. It takes very little energy to convert the wood in trees to the timber used in building. This means that the embodied energy in timber is very low, the lowest of all common to building material. Easy to work. Timber is versatile and can be used in a wide variety of ways. This reduces the energy needed for construction. Second type of building material is plywood. It is a type of strong, thin wooden board consisting of two or more layers glued and pressed together with the direction of the grain alternating. It is an engineered wood from the family of manufactured boards, which include medium density fiber board, that is MDF, and particle board, that is chipboard. Benefits of using plywood. Plywood has been used in building many homes and commercial construction, and it is often used for wall, ceiling, and more. All plywood types vary from its usage to its composition. The benefits are increased stability. Plywood offers all the inherent advantages of the parent wood plus enhanced property in its laminated structure. Surface dimensional stability, that is, the cross-laminated construction ensures that plywood sheets remain relatively stable under changes of temperature and moisture. Softwood ply tend to be used in the construction industry for walls, roofs, and floors. Hardwood ply tend to be used quality laminate flooring, kitchen units, and some furniture. Marine plywood is used in boat hull construction. It is specially treated so that it is water resistant. Engineered wood products. Engineered wood, also called composite wood or man-made wood, which are manufactured by binding or fixing the strands, particles, fiber, boards of woods, other methods of fixation to form composite materials. Engineered wood products are used in a variety of applications, from home construction to commercial buildings to industrial products. There are different types of engineered wood products are plywood, oriented strand wood, glued laminated timber, finger jointed lumber, roof trusses. What is pressure treated timber? We pressure treated timber for two main reasons: protection against attack by wood boring beetles or protection against fungal decay. All measures that are taken to ensure a long life of wood fall under the definition of wood preservation. Calculating timber quantities. You should be aware that timber is available in many different species. Some are cheap and are available in solid form. Some are expensive, so are converted to cover particle board. Some useful species are best suited outdoor use. It also provides worked example of trade related calculation problem and provides method that need to solve the problems. In this lecture, we covered what type of a material used in carpentry and also studied about pressure treated timber and calculating timber quantities. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.